Hey guys, welcome to Online Learning for Life Science. I just want to give you a couple pieces of information and then I'll let you go ahead. You guys will be working on Moby Max and I have assigned you the topic life cycles for this week. So I expect that you work on it from about 15 to 20 minutes per day, and I can see how much time you've logged in it. On my end of the program. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a couple really quick, I'm just going to show you really quickly how to get to it from Google Classroom, and then I'll let you get to it. So you're going to go ahead and click on your life science class, and what should pop up right here, it looks like this, but I want you to actually click on the classwork tab right in the middle here. And you can scroll down. You'll see general information. If you'd like to set up a video meeting with me, you can pick a day on this calendar and a time that goes with it to set up a meeting with me. If you need help with anything. And then there's a letter for you and your parents right here that I'd like you to read through so that you can understand the expectations and how to get a hold of me if you need to. And then below it there's a link if you have any technology problems, okay? So that's how you will go ahead and take care of those, is by filling out this form, and it will submit this to the school's technology department. So as far as work goes, it will be posted by week. So you'll have a bell ringer for each day, and then there's also the Moby Max link right here, so you can click on this and go ahead and use your username and password to sign in. You should already know this. If you don't, please send me an email and I'll get you your username and password as quick as I can. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll also post the Flipgrid links on here too when I post those, and I'll be posting those on Mondays and Thursdays for 7th grade. Good luck. I miss you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions.